If I do last yell,
Let me at him.
really?
Let's freaking go!
Let's get to the killing. This'll do. Ugh.
Let's do this! Heads up! Ugh.
Tag me in! This'll do the trick! Ooh.
I mean, there's another way you can also do that, but yeah. That's pretty interesting. I didn't know that.
Prepped and ready.
But the characters will have to be alive
Time to
now.
move. Ready as I'll ever be! I got this!
Here goes.
I'll do my best! Leave it to me!
Let's do this. Just watch me. Too freaking good.
I can find out now.
Let's freaking go. Give it to him. Ow.
I can't lose! I won't tap out! Here comes the finisher! I put it all out there.
Oh, what the? Brother Mike. Oh, no.
Say when. There.
I get stronger every time.
Let's go. Harder.
It really doesn't matter. I actually have way too much
I never thought they'd be this
damage.
good. I'm not going down alone. Such a gorgeous scene. My turn. Here. This isn't good. Not there yet. Gotta push it. That all you got? It's all right. This should do it. I'm not done yet. Yeah! It's all right. I'm putting it all on the line.
Yeah! I'm back!
Oh boy! We won! And all thanks to my dear sister.
All that's left is to finish her off. Let's make this quick. Please, don't kill me.
Huh?
My name is Ava, the paragon of nature. I beg of you, please, spare my life. I surrender. I'll come quietly, so just